Hi friends, each one of you want to be a great seller. You all are amazing people. And you see, in any situations, either you are selling or you are being sold. Every situation, but not only you, but it is applicable to each one of us. Either we are being selling or we are being sold. So how can you be a great seller? And each one of you are a very good seller. And from your journey from good to great, here are 20 to 21 tips to be a great seller. The number one is learn to be agile. The second point, have a sponsor within your own company. Third one, distinguish yourself. Be different, it pays. Fourth, ask questions, probing questions. Fifth, keep up or get left behind. Sixth one, stop trying to be something you are not. Seven, get rid of head thoughts. Eighth one, be confident and curious. Ninth one, my dear friends, have a sales mentor. 10th, know your products. 11th, be curious. 12th, be both confident and curious. 13th, keep faith, as faith will make you victorious. 14th, be visible and be vocal. 15th, don't wait to speak up, capitalize the opportunity you are getting. 16th, emulate to leader. 17th, always play your strength. Please don't play your weakness. 18th, take up more space. 19th, excel at the excellent. 20th, lead like a human. And the last 21st or 21.8, stand up for yourself. Thank you. All the best.